Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am just coming at you with a super quick update video today because it's been a while. I got back from my journeys about a week, 10 days ago, 9 or 10 days ago. And it has just been very busy. It's just been nonstop since then. You guys know one of my side gigs is that my mom and I clean houses. We have been cleaning at least one house every day, and then another one of our side gigs is that we cater. And honestly, I don't love catering. I hate it, honestly. It's just so much work. My mom has a culinary arts degree though, so she likes to cook. But we've had 3 catering events as well, and we actually have one more tomorrow. But the main reason I wanted to update you guys is much cuter. So unfortunately, I have not been able to convince Beefy to come with me, and he's just comfortable being where he is. He wants to be an outside cat. He wants to stay where he's always lived, and it's sad because he was adorable. Mainly, he was just so cute. So he's where he is. But when I got home, 2 days after I got home, I decided to apply to foster kittens. And so they called me the next day and they were like, we have 2 kittens that we need you to foster. And so I went and I picked them up and they came home with me. So one of them has actually already been adopted, and the other one, oh, look at how cute. She's coming closer. She's 4 months old, so she's not a teeny tiny little kitty. She's a little timid right now. When I'm gone, she just lays under my bed. And she takes a while to remember that she likes me and that we're friends. She's still learning how to play. But as soon as I get home and I remind her, you know, to come on out and we're buddies, then she has fun and she sleeps in bed with me. She runs all around. She likes to hide. I have all of her stuff up here because she does not like to go downstairs. She only likes being up here, so I'm going to work on that with her after this weekend. But her name is Chloe. That's what they gave her the name as. I've been calling her Kippy, little Kip, because I think it's cuter. But I have her bed, her scratch thing, 2 toys, 3 actually, water, food, and then I have one of her litter boxes in the bathroom right here. She has another litter box downstairs, more beds and toys and stuff downstairs, so I'm going to work on, oh, here she comes, work on that with her. Hi, baby. Oh, she has the cutest little voice. Let's see if she knows how to play yet. Nope. But she doesn't like to eat either, so that is a problem. She hasn't eaten at all today. She loves those little squeezy kitty tube Go-Gurt cat yogurt things. Where'd she go? But I can't just, she can't survive off of those. But I will put some more pictures, and once she's more comfortable tonight, I will take some more video of her for you and let you see her true personality. She also likes to go in this little cubby back here. I tried to block it off. It's very dark because I didn't want her in there, but I was unsuccessful, so I just had to let her in. But that's the exciting news. The other exciting news is that I have air conditioning coming. Well, my mini splits are coming on Monday. So that is the super exciting news. And I will update you guys all more on this house and dumpster diving and my trips and everything soon. Oh, we got a little kitty. Oh, hi, Chloe. Hi, Kippy. Yeah, she's just so cute. So I'll take some more videos of her for you guys. And she's my little foster kitty. Yeah, she loves to rub up and get pet and snuggle right next to my face when I'm sleeping. She's a good girl. She was very timid at first, and oh, did I mention I had her sister? Her name was Francine. She's already been adopted. And honestly, I think her sister was mean to her because she always hissed at her, and she was so shy when her sister was here. She wouldn't come out from underneath the couch or underneath the bed. But then her sister got adopted, and she's done so much better. So we're just going to have a good night. Oh, and she does that little thing, you know, where they knead with their paws. They, like, knead the bed or, you know, your stomach or whatever. I think it's so cute. She's a good girl. So she's my roommate for now until she finds her forever home, and we just enjoy our time together. So that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to give you an update and let you know what's going on, and that I'm still here, and I, of course, am never forgotten about you guys. And always, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Oh, she also just got spayed. Her little belly is shaved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving, home, cat, everything related updates. Thank you.